Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get refund on Nintendo Switch eShop. In order to do this, you need to use the Nintendo support website instead of using the eShop on your Nintendo Switch or console. On your preferred browser, search for Nintendo support. Click on the first link that appears on your search page. Here, use the search function at the top and look for a refund. Click on the first option that you see, which is a refund request for a downloaded game or DLC. The new page that appears gives information on what purchases are eligible for a refund. Go ahead and go through all of the information to see if you're eligible for a refund and which console it applies to. If you want to request a refund, select Contact Us at the bottom of the page. Choose your region and wait for it to load. On the new page, you have three options to contact support, which are either chat, text, or call. You can contact them when they are open for your refund. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.